Is this one of the best burgers I've ever had? Yup, without a doubt. Top 3 at least. The Mexican-inspired smashburger, it's fantastic. You need to try this burger. And if there's a restaurant near you and you're like, hey, you should look at this burger and make it because it's fantastic and it'll sell for $1 billion a burger. I ground this myself using my KitchenAid with the grinder attachment. When you take that fresh ground meat and you stuff it with chunks of sharp cheddar cheese and Cotija cheese, and then you throw those burger balls onto that screaming hot griddle and you smash it down, the sharp cheddar cheese starts to melt and turn into this fried cheese on the top and on the bottom of the burger, creating this perfect crust, and it's melting with the fat of the burger, and that is creating crust, and you've got crust on crust and melty gooey cheese in the middle, and then you get a pop of that Cotija cheese, and it's the perfect salty, delicious bite. It's perfect. And then when you add in the fact that we made like a Mexican-inspired coleslaw and guacamole, and then I made a Chile Margarita lime spicy burger sauce for it. Wow, it's perfect. The buns were perfectly toasted with mayo. They were the perfect buns for this, with some sort of Kaiser roll too. It's the perfect burger. Let's go make it. I'm gonna show you exactly how we made the coleslaw, exactly how we stuffed the burgers with the cheese, how we made the guacamole, how we toasted the buns, how we put it all together, and how I stuffed my face with it, and it's the perfect burger. Go subscribe. If this doesn't make you want to subscribe to this channel, I don't know what else I can do. This is just magic deliciousness happening in front of your eyeballs. Are you ready to smash some burgers?
This isn't a robbery. Hands in the sky if you got a drink. Learn nothing was blocking me. I was the problem, the only one stopping me. I didn't like it, I had to refocus. Now I'm devoted, I know where I'm going. Controlling emotions, I'm owning the moment. In order to get it, see, you gotta want it. This type of flow make a living break. Confessions over these 808. Don't sleep on the key, better stay away. I mean, for heaven's sake, I'm a I'ma be the best. Came from the endless. I ain't with the games, push you with the chest. Beating on my chest, trying to get my rest. Watch me while I flex. Every win is a blessing, and every L is a lesson. So when I run into rejection, I know it's only redirection. I see the blessings right beside me. The chances of quitting are likely. I do it like I'm in my Nikes. Don't make excuses, they never excite me. Boxes, boxes. I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it. Quitting was never an option. Exhausted. This passion is never exhausted. And you cannot stop it. Nah, you cannot stop it. Quitting was never an option.